There's a simple but super powerful version for making a single serving smoothie in a flash, a more complex setup that comes with a handful of useful attachments. There are many products available to choose immersion blenders, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best immersion blenders from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. All-Clad Electric Stainless Steel Immersion Blender. With 600 watts of power, the All-Clad Immersion Blender is a force to be reckoned with. Powerful motor blends foods in seconds, from milkshakes to baby food and delicate sauces. It quickly and easily made both our soup and smoothie very smooth, and it can accomplish most small blending jobs within one features an extra long 9¼ drive shaft that reaches into deep bowls and pots. Variable speed dial and turbo button to adjust the speed. Stainless steel shaft detaches for easy cleaning and storage. Ergonomic soft grip handle. Though the motor handle is on the heavy side, the whole thing still feels comfortable to hold and easy to manage. Number 2. All-Clad Cordless Rechargeable Stainless Steel Immersion Multi. Cordless immersion blenders aren't for everyone. They're not even the best option for most people. But if you're in the market for a blender you can use literally anywhere, we recommend the All-Clad Cordless Immersion Blender. If you like to pre-batch your smoothie ingredients to make your mornings easier, this is the only one of our top picks that will fit into a wide-mouth mason jar. The blending wand is also dishwasher safe, though over time that cleaning method can dull the blades. You have to push the lock button on the top of the motor to unlock it. The blender will lock after 30 seconds of inactivity, too. The top of the handle is also where you adjust the speed. Number 3. Mueller Austria Ultra Stick 500 Watt 9-Speed Immersion Multi. The Mueller Ultra Stick Immersion Blender is the only model we tested that came with a milk frother attachment, and for the price it looked to be a promising budget option. Then we turned it on. We were able to overlook the blue accent lights that gave off a bit of a nightclub vibe, and it did a decent job of blending a smoothie, but it was impossible to ignore the awful metallic rattling noise it made while doing so. The noise got even worse and grating when we used it as a milk frother, and it didn't froth cold whole milk any better than. Number 4. KitchenAid KHB2351CU 3-Speed Hand Blender. The KitchenAid 3-Speed Hand Blender handled the soup and the smoothie well power-wise, but we had trouble getting the locking mechanism to work. After several tries we finally just held the top and bottom parts together. This presented a problem with the smoothie because the cup kept moving around on the countertop. Number 5. KOIOS 5-in-1 Hand Immersion Blender. The KOIOS Powerful 4-in-1 Hand Blender is a good budget option with multiple speeds, a chopping bowl and blade, a mixing beaker, and a whisk attachment. But it feels kind of cheap and many reviewers say it doesn't stand up to continued use. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.